In this video we are going to talk about partial fractions with improper rational expressions in the denominator, which we call it as type 4. Let's see an example. Now in this one, unlike the other types, the degree of the numerator is 3, whereas the degree of the denominator is 2. So in this one we have the degree of the numerator bigger than the degree of the denominator. Now these are this is not the same as the examples in the other types. So what we should do is we will do polynomial division to simplify this expression and make it like one of the other types and solve as one of the other types. So let's see how we perform polynomial division. So I should write the expressions, and the idea is I will find a term so that I will have the first term here, x cubed, when I multiply my term with x squared. So I should write x here, because x times x squared will give me x cubed. Of course, I should multiply x with all the other terms in here, so it will be like x cubed plus 8x squared plus 15x. So this is something like expanding the expression here with x. Now we are going to change the signs and add. So it will be minus, 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 and when I add, I see that these two simplify, and I have 12 minus 8, 4x squared plus 33 minus 15, 18x plus 2. Now I will do the same for 4x squared here. So I should multiply this expression by 4, so that 4 times x squared will give me 4x. So it will be like 4 times x squared will be 4x squared plus 4 times 8 will be 32, so it will be 32x plus 4 times 15 is 60. Now I will change the signs and add, so it will be 4x squared minus 4x squared, they cancel each other out. 18 minus 32 is minus 14x minus 2 minus 60 is minus 58 after all. Now we cannot go on, because what we have here, minus 14x minus 58, is of degree 1, whereas my expression here, which I divide, is of degree 2. So this is my remainder, and I should stop here. Now, how am I going to write the simplified form? It will be something like that. Your answer will be here, x plus 4 plus, now you have your remainder, so the remainder should be written with the denominator. So it will be like minus 14x minus 58 over x squared plus 8x plus 15. Now this is more like of type 1 when I look at this expression only. So I'm going to deal with this expression. I'm going to write the partial fraction decomposition of this expression. Then together with this, I'm going to write my answer. So let's see how we decompose this. Well, this expression will be something like that when I factorize the denominator. So you see this is 3 and 5 multiplied. When I multiply, I get 15. When I add, I get 8. So it will be x plus 3 and x plus 5 here. Hence, I am going to write as a over x plus 3 plus b over x plus 5 and equate the denominators with each other. Then I will have this expression, so I will take into common parentheses as a plus b for x plus 5a plus 3b over x plus 5 and x plus 3. So I can write my system of equations. A plus b will be minus 14, whereas 5a plus 3b will be minus 58. So I have to solve this, so I have to expand this by minus 3, hence I will have the following, and from here I have these cancelled and 2a to be minus 16, where this means a equals minus 8, and if I substitute here in the first equation, it will be minus 8 plus b equals minus 14, so b will become minus 6. These are my values. Hence, the partial fraction decomposition of this expression will be x plus 4, I have to write these terms too, don't forget that, over here it will be, a, instead of a I'm going to write minus 8 over x plus 3 plus minus 6 over x plus 5. This is my partial fraction decomposition of this expression given. Now is your turn. Write the partial fraction decomposition for this given partial fraction.